Contents. What is water pollution? Sources of water pollution. Causes of water pollution. Effects of water pollution. Solution to stop water pollution? What is water pollution? Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies, usually as a result of human activities. Water bodies include, for example, lakes, rivers, oceans, aquifers and groundwater. Water pollution results when contaminants are introduced into the natural environment. For example, releasing inadequately treated wastewater into natural water bodies can lead to degradation of aquatic ecosystems. In turn, this can lead to public health problems for people living downstream. They may use the same polluted river water for drinking or bathing or irrigation. Water pollution is the leading worldwide cause of death and disease, e.g. due to waterborne diseases. Sources of water pollution. Sewage, wastewater. Sewage is another name for wastewater from domestic and industrial processes. Agricultural pollution. The agriculture industry covers 76% of the land area of England and Wales. Oil pollution. Radioactive substances. River dumping. Marine dumping. Causes of water pollution. Water pollution is caused due to several major causes of water pollution. Sewage and wastewater. Dumping. Industrial waste. Sewage and water waste. Domestic households, industrial and agricultural practices produce wastewater that can cause pollution of many lakes and rivers. Sewage is the term used for wastewater that often contains feces, urine and laundry waste. There are billions of people on Earth, so treating sewage is a big priority. Sewage disposal is a major problem in developing countries as many people in these areas don't have access to sanitary conditions and clean water. Untreated sewage water in such areas can contaminate the environment and cause diseases such as diarrhea. Dumping. Dumping involves depositing all the waste materials from factories and industries, tankers and ships and sewerage waste materials into the oceans and seas. Some of the materials emitted by the industrial wastes and sewage wastes contain materials like mercury, cryolite and DDT. Certain industrial wastage also includes radioactive materials. Even small amounts of these substances tend to have negative effects. The scale and the magnitude of the ocean dumping are not just vast but are so huge, that our entire civilization could be wiped out with the intensity of careless dumping. The discharge of ballast water also causes the problem by way of ocean waste. Ballast water tends to proliferate and transfer organisms that debilitate the growth of naturally occurring fishes in a particular oceanic area.
Industrial waste. Water pollution has many sources. The most polluting of them are the city sewage and industrial waste discharged into the rivers. Industrial waste is defined as waste generated by manufacturing or industrial processes. The types of industrial waste generated include cafeteria garbage, dirt and gravel, masonry and concrete, scrap metal, trash, oil, solvents, chemicals, weed grass and trees, wood and scrap lumber, and similar wastes. Industrial solid waste, which may be solid, liquid or gases held in containers, is divided into hazardous and non-hazardous waste. Hazardous waste may result from manufacturing or other industrial processes.
Effects of water pollution. Effects of water pollution. In humans, drinking or consuming polluted water in any way has many disastrous effects on our health. It causes typhoid, cholera, hepatitis and various other diseases. Destruction of ecosystems. Ecosystems are extremely dynamic and respond to even small changes in the environment. Water pollution can cause an entire ecosystem to collapse if left unchecked. Eutrophication. Chemicals in a water body encourage the growth of algae. These algae form a layer on top of the pond or lake. Bacteria feed on this algae and this decreases the amount of oxygen in the water body, severely affecting the aquatic life there. Affects the food chain. Disruption in food chains happens when toxins and pollutants in the water are consumed by aquatic animals, fish, shellfish etc., which are then consumed by humans.
Solutions to stop water pollution.
Pick up litter and throw it away in a garbage can. Blow or sweep fertilizer back onto the grass if it gets onto paved areas. Mulch or compost grass or yard waste. Wash your car or outdoor equipment where it can flow to a gravel or grassed area instead of a street. Don't pour your motor oil down the storm drain. Do not pour fat from cooking or any other type of fat, oil, or grease down the sink. Do not dispose of household chemicals or cleaning agents down the sink or toilet. Do not flush pills, liquid or powder medications or drugs down the toilet. Avoid using the toilet as a waste basket.